What if you could get paid just for watching videos on your phone? In this video, I'm revealing 5 legit apps that actually pay you to watch content. No special skills, no experience needed. It's free and it's easy and it actually works. So if you're looking to make a bit of extra money in your spare time, you don't want to miss this. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of ways to make money online, and watching videos is a very popular earning opportunity, and a lot of people keep asking me about this and wanted also to know how they can earn by doing this on their phone. So that's what I'll show you in this video. But before I will show you the 5 options that I know are actually legit and will actually pay you, and some of the best I found for this, I just want to talk about the earning potential, because when it comes to earning online, it's always important you do it with the right expectations. And overall, you will not earn a lot by watching videos. I often get the question, how can I earn $20 a day just by watching videos, or $2 per video? So that's just not realistic. That's not how that earning opportunity works. There are legit apps and websites that will pay you to watch content, but you will not earn a lot by doing it. So it's just a bit of extra money on the side. But all of the platforms that I will show you also offers other earning opportunities, and I will definitely encourage you to make sure to also use some of those earning opportunities, because if you're just relying on watching videos, you will not earn a lot and you will actually find it hard to reach the payout threshold. So that's just something to be aware of. But let me now go over the 5 apps I wanted to show you. I just first want to make clear that it is not a such a prioritized list, because which of the options that are the best really depends on your personal preferences, and also to a certain degree which country you live in. So I'll just present all of them, tell a little bit more about them, then you can choose which of them are for you. You can join all of them, just a few of them, that's completely up to you. So let's now get to the list. So the first option I want to show you is called Opinion Edge. It started just as a service site, and you can still find plenty of service here, and that's the main way to earn. But they now also have something called campaign offers, where they once in a while have a few videos you can earn just by watching. You can use it on a website where I'm now, for example, but it also has an app for both Android and iOS devices, and it's very user friendly there. And you can join it from around 34 different countries, and you can get paid in gift cards or PayPal cash. The next option I want to talk about is called FreeCast. It's mainly known as a website, but it actually also has an app for Android devices. If you want to earn from your iOS device, you can just open the browser and still earn there. You can find a lot of ways to earn, a lot of paid offers, a lot of ways to earn by playing games, and a lot of paid service. You can join it from all countries. And if you want to earn by watching videos, you have to do it through what they call offer partners, these different offer walls. For example, Time Wall is one of the offer walls where you can just connect it here, and then you can find videos you can earn by watching here. Again, it will not earn you a lot, and FreeCast has a lot of other ways where you will earn more. For example, the gaming offers, the paid surveys, many of the other paid offers. So make sure to use some of those options also. When it comes to getting paid, you only need to earn 50 cents for some of the crypto payout options. You can get paid, for example, in crypto, PayPal cash, and choose between many different gift cards. And once you cash out, it pays basically immediately, which is one of the things I love about FreeCast. The next app and website I wanted to talk about is called Pawns. It's available also in basically all countries. You can use it on computer, on your phone, iOS and Android devices. The way you can earn by watching videos is not directly by watching videos, but because it's a passive way to earn, where you just need to install it, and then you can earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth in the background. Then you can earn while you're watching videos, no matter what videos you're watching. Even when you use some of the other earning opportunities, if you have Pawns installed on your phone or your computer in the background, you will earn just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It will not give you huge earnings, but it is super easy. As you can see, you just need to have it installed. It also does offer paid surveys and some games you can play to earn. So definitely also make sure to check those options out. You only need to earn $5 to get paid, and you can then get paid via Bitcoin, PayPal, or choose between different gift cards depending on your location. And if you join through an invitation link, you will also get a great joining bonus, $1 joining bonus into your account right away, and then you will get another $1 the first time you cash out and $1 again the second time you cash out. So a total of $3 joining bonus. In general, I'll leave a link below to a full list I have of all these where you can find the joining links, get the joining bonuses for the ones that offer that, and easily get started with your chosen options. We now only have a couple of more options to go over, and it'd be great if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. Next we have AppKarma, and AppKarma is an app you can download for iOS and Android devices from basically all countries. Also, this one gives you a special joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. Usually you will get 300 points if you just join. I have a VIP invitation link, so you will get 500 points as a joining bonus. Again, you can find that on the full list on my website. I will leave a link to that below. But AppKarma is actually known as an app that will pay you to play games, but it also does have a bonus section where you can watch some small video ads and earn a bit extra. Again, that's not the main way to earn here. You should only really use it if you also like to play games, and then you can earn by doing that, and then you can watch these small videos to earn a bit extra once in a while. The last option I wanted to show is called Cointiply. It has a whole section called What's to Earn there, so you can come in, you can find it, and you can then go to these platforms and you can earn. You can see, for example, here you would earn 5 coins per point you will earn there. Here 51 coins for every 3 ads, and here you can also see how much you would earn there. And each of these options are available in different countries, but Cointiply itself is available in all countries. And you can also earn by playing games, clicking ads, taking paid surveys. It has a faucet where you can roll once in a while and get some free points that way also. Just be aware that it's only relevant if you want to get paid in crypto, because it only pays out in crypto. You just need to earn $3.50 to get paid. When it comes to using the app itself, it is only available for Android devices, but you can also use it on a computer, or you can just log in if you want to use it on an iOS device through your browser. So as you can see, if you want to earn from your phone by watching videos, there are some good legit options, but it is very important you do it with the right expectations. I always make it very clear that it's not realistic to make huge amounts of money by watching videos. I get that question all the time, and I just want to emphasize that is not possible. It's not a very effective way to earn. Watching videos is in fact one of the least effective online earning methods, but of course it can be entertaining, it can be fun, and if that is what you go for, these options I showed you here are the best that I have come across you can use on your phone. I do have a full list, as mentioned, where you can find more information about all these. You can find the joining links, you can find full tutorials of each of them. So I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. And if this video helped you, also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.